all the way from San Francisco, North America, the vegan capital of the world. Well, maybe next to Portland. Welcome to the Fat Happy Vegan! Hi everybody, this is Julie. I am the Fat Happy Vegan, and today I want to talk to you about homemade soy yogurt. You may not even be a yogurt eater, but I want you to have this recipe in your arsenal because the soy yogurt becomes an ingredient in a lot of other recipes. I use it to thicken sauces and soups. I use it when I make salad dressing. When I am cooking Mexican food and I want a crema, the whey I use in baked goods because it becomes a really good egg substitute. I use it in bread. I use it in cupcakes, cakes, anything that I want to have a soft, spongy feel to it. So, soy milk. The kind that I use comes from Trader Joe's. You might be able to get it on Amazon if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you. But the reason why I use this particular kind is because it doesn't have any additives. This is really important if you're going to be making savory dishes, because most plant-based milks have vanilla in them. And I don't know about you, but I do not want to have vanilla flavor in my nachos. The other thing is it doesn't have any thickeners. So as soon as they start putting things like carrageenan in the yogurt, it messes up the thickening process. So you end up with something that's kind of weird when it comes out. The other thing that I use is Bella Bella Starter, which you also get on Amazon. It's not that expensive. And then the thing that is pricier that I use is an Instant Pot. You can also get a yogurt maker. I don't have a big kitchen, so I like the Instant Pot because it makes the yogurt, but it does a lot of other things too. So it's a multitasker. I don't have to worry about sucking up counter space with lots of things. And the nice thing about either a yogurt maker or an Instant Pot is you need to have really good temperature control. 8 hours is really nice if you're going for a sour cream or cream cheese kind of a flavor. It's not too tart. The one that I'm going to show you I did for 12 hours, it's a little bit tartar. I personally wouldn't go beyond that, but if you want like a good tart Greek yogurt, you can let it go for 16 or 20 or even 24 hours. So, come with me to the kitchen. Oh wait, sorry, one more piece of equipment. You will need an accurate thermometer so that you know when you've hit the right temperatures. Okay, come with me to the kitchen. We're gonna make soy yogurt. Here are the ingredients. So this is the non-dairy yogurt starter Bella Bella. That is my thermometer, it's a digital one. The soy milk from Trader Joe's. A little mixing bowl, I'm gonna mix that starter with water. And then there's my Instant Pot with the yogurt making feature. So I'm just mixing the yogurt starter into some cool water, and that will dissolve. So I've set the digital thermometer to go off at 100 degrees. I have soy milk in the pot already, and I just set it to boil. I'm not going to let it go all the way up to a boil. When it hits 100 degrees, I'm going to turn the Instant Pot off. The Instant Pot is off now, but it's still heating up the milk. So you can see it's already gone up to 107, 109, and when it hits 111, I'm going to take the inner lining of the pot out and just let it be on the counter, mixing in the dissolved yogurt starter. And the mix is really easy. I pick up the pot and give it a little swirl, and then I stick the whole thing, the whole inner liner, back in the outer casing of the Instant Pot. Just get rid of the thermometer. And when it's back in, I put the lid back on. And now I put the timer on. The last time I did this, I'd had it set for 8 hours. I'm going to take it up to 12 because it's 8 p.m. and I'm not going to get up before 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. While I'm fast asleep, the yogurt starter is doing all the work. And when I wake up the next morning, voila, I have yogurt To strain my yogurt, I start out with just a nice deep bowl, and inside of that bowl I've got a strainer. Here's a little pro tip that I want to share with you. Instead of cheesecloth, I'm going to line this with a 100% cotton cloth diaper. It's the 3-ply kind. This makes a really good strainer. They can be used over and over again, washed in the washing machine. You can even put in a little bleach if you need to. And you can see how loose the weave is. It's fabulous for straining and also even covering up things like bread starter, because it lets in air, but it keeps out all the larger particles, dust, grease. So I've just poured all of my yogurt into my cloth-lined strainer, and I want you to see the consistency when it starts, and we'll compare that to the consistency when it finishes. So you can see it's watery. So I'm just going to cover this up, and I'm going to stick it in the fridge. In 6 hours, more or less, give or take, it'll probably be perfect. If you want thicker yogurt, leave it longer. If you want thinner yogurt, check it sooner. So here's the yogurt once it's been strained, and you can see how much thicker it's gotten. Oh my God. So this is the perfect consistency for sour cream, for cream cheese. Again, great to thicken up other dishes. Also makes a really nice ranch salad dressing. I want to show you what the whey looks like underneath. It has a wonderful buttermilk flavor, so you can use it to make buttermilk pancakes. You can use it for baked goods. It has an egg-like property to it, so you could whip it like whipped egg whites. You can put it in baked goods and it'll give the dishes more body. And what you end up with is about 3/4 of a quart jar of thick, creamy soy yogurt and a full jar of the whey to use in your baked goods. Enjoy!